Hello everyone, welcome. You may be thinking, how can faith create wealth? It sounds almost too simple, right? But here's the thing, your belief, your faith, is not just a passive feeling. It's an active force. Faith, when used with intention, has the power to shape your reality. And that includes your financial reality. The trick is to understand this power and use it to your advantage. We often hear people say that money is a result of hard work, luck, or just the right timing. But what if I told you that money isn't just a result of external circumstances, but a reflection of your internal state? Money, like everything else, is drawn to the vibrations you emit. If you are aligned with wealth and abundance on a mental and emotional level, it will start showing up in your life. Faith is a powerful thing. It is not something you need to wait for or search for. It is something that already exists within you. Your faith can shape your thoughts, your actions, and your beliefs about what is possible. When you begin to truly believe that wealth and success are within your reach, you begin to act and think in ways that align with that belief. And when your thoughts and actions align with your desires, the universe begins to respond. But here's the catch. Many people have been conditioned to believe that wealth is unattainable or only for a select few. The first step to turning your faith into fortune is to break through these limiting beliefs. You need to stop thinking of money as something outside of you, something that's only for a lucky few. Instead, recognize that money is energy, and just like any other form of energy, it can flow to you when you are in harmony with it. Start by changing your thoughts about money. Money is not something to fear or to chase. It is something that should come naturally, something that flows to you easily and effortlessly. Begin to believe that wealth is your natural state. Every time you catch yourself thinking in terms of lack, replace it with thoughts of abundance. Picture money flowing freely to you. See it as part of your natural environment, something that is always available to you. Now, let's take a moment to really understand what faith means in this context. Faith is not just about wishing or hoping for something to happen. It is the belief that something will manifest because it is already happening. Faith is not passive. It requires action, yes, but it also requires you to be in alignment with your desires. When you truly believe in your own ability to create wealth, you stop doubting yourself and start acting from a place of confidence. This is what makes the difference. Faith, when it is aligned with your desires, transforms your reality. This is the secret to manifesting anything, whether it's financial abundance, success, or anything else you wish for. The more you trust in your ability to manifest, the quicker it will appear in your life. But the key is to act as though it is already here. You need to believe in your success so strongly that you begin to behave as though it is already your reality. As you begin to believe that wealth is not just possible, but inevitable, your actions will begin to reflect that belief. You will take steps that are in alignment with your goals, and you will begin to attract the right people, opportunities, and circumstances that will bring your financial dreams to life. One of the most powerful tools you have in manifesting wealth is visualization. When you visualize the life you want, you are not just dreaming, you are actively creating your reality. Spend time every day imagining the life you want. Picture yourself living in abundance, enjoying financial freedom. Feel the emotions that come with this. This will raise your vibration and align your energy with the wealth you desire. But faith is not just about visualizing what you want. It's also about trusting that it is on its way to you. The moment you truly believe that wealth is coming to you, you release the need to control how it arrives. When you let go of the how, you open yourself to receiving in unexpected ways. The universe has its own way of delivering what you need, and often, it will come from sources you never expected. At the same time, faith requires patience. You cannot force manifestation to happen on your timeline. The key is to trust that what you desire is already on its way. If you let go of the attachment to the outcome and simply trust in the process, you'll be amazed at how quickly things begin to shift in your favor. Another important aspect of turning your faith into fortune is to align your actions with your beliefs. Faith is not just about thoughts and emotions, it also requires you to take inspired action. This doesn't mean that you need to work yourself into exhaustion. It means that you should be open to new ideas, new opportunities, and new ways of creating wealth. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone and take risks when they feel right. Trust yourself to make the right decisions, and you will find that the universe responds to your actions in ways that you never imagined. Let go of any doubts or fears that might be holding you back. Often, we limit ourselves because we are afraid of failing or because we don't believe we deserve success. But you are worthy of everything you desire. You were not born to struggle, but to thrive. When you truly believe this, you stop standing in your own way and allow the flow of abundance to come to you. The process of turning your faith into fortune is a continuous one. Every day, you need to reinforce your belief in your ability to create wealth. This can be done through affirmations, visualizations, and acts of faith. As you continue to work on your mindset, your reality will begin to change. Money will begin to flow to you effortlessly because you are in alignment with it. There is no limit to what you can achieve when you combine your faith with your desires. Your potential is limitless. The more you tap into your inner power and trust in the process, the more you will see evidence of your financial transformation. The key to turning your faith into fortune is to stop seeing money as something scarce or out of reach. Change your mindset, and you will change your reality. Believe that wealth is yours for the taking, and take inspired action to bring it into your life. The more you do this, the more money will flow into your experience. Keep in mind that every step you take in aligning with your faith brings you closer to your financial goals. Trust the process. Let go of the need to control every aspect, and simply have faith that the universe will deliver what you desire. Your faith is the key to unlocking the fortune that is already waiting for you. The journey to financial abundance begins with you. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and your faith are the tools you need to unlock the wealth that is already yours. Believe in yourself, believe in your ability to manifest, and believe in the abundance that is on its way to you. The more you nurture your faith, the more it will transform your life. It is a powerful force that has the ability to bring you everything you desire, including wealth. To unlock your potential for financial abundance, you must shift your focus entirely from the external world to your internal belief system. Most people look outwardly for solutions, waiting for the right opportunity, the right job, or the right moment. But the secret lies within. Your thoughts, beliefs, and convictions shape your financial reality. When you begin to truly believe that wealth is not just a possibility but your natural state, you will start seeing opportunities everywhere. The key is consistency. It's not enough to think positively for a day or two and expect everything to change. You must make this shift in mindset a daily practice. Every thought you entertain, every word you speak, and every action you take should align with your vision of prosperity. Consistency in your thoughts about money is what will lay the foundation for your financial abundance. So, keep believing, keep trusting, and keep acting in alignment with your desires. You are on the path to fortune, and the universe is ready to deliver. Keep the faith alive and let it lead you to the abundance that awaits you. Take a moment right now to remind yourself that you are worthy of wealth, that it is already on its way to you, and that you have the power to manifest it. You have the ability to convert your faith into fortune, and today is the day to start.